Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transform a 2D image into a stunning 3D style animation. Let's get started. With your clip selected in the timeline, head over to the Fusion page. Make sure the Media in Node is selected, then press Ctrl plus space to open the search tool. Search for Image Plane 3D and click Add to insert it. Next, open the search tool again and add a duplicate 3D node, followed by a transform node. Now select the duplicate 3D node and go to the Inspector panel. Under the Copies section, increase the number to 120. This tells DaVinci to create 120 layered versions of the image. Now scroll down to the translation settings. Here, adjust the Z offset value to 0.002. What this does is gently push each copy further back into 3D space. Now select the Transform 3D node and press 1 on your keyboard to view it in the first viewer. Next, let's animate the rotation. In the Inspector panel, locate the Y rotation property, click on the small diamond icon to add a keyframe at the starting position. Then move the playhead forward in the timeline about a few seconds ahead and set the Y rotation value to 360 degrees. Next, open the search tool and add a Render 3D node. Now we're going to disconnect the Media in Node and instead connect it to the Render 3D node. But before you connect it, important note, if you're using a mid-range or lower-end PC, this step can cause DaVinci Resolve to crash. To prevent that, go to the Inspector panel and change the render type from software to hardware. Once that's done, go ahead and make the connection. Finally, switch back to the Edit page and take a look at your 3D effect in action. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more, and don't forget to tap the bell.